Alright, what's going on, guys? This is kind of an unexpected vlog, but my buddy Sabir, you know him in the vlogs and stuff, but he's looking at this Plymouth that we have the key to. This bad boy is a Plymouth Breeze 1998. This could be the next project car on the channel. Techno Violet, if you're familiar with E36 M3s, that's my favorite color.
This is actually an E36. It's just America's version of it. You have the throwing stars right here.
Yep.
You got Techno Violet.
Yep.
You even have the rain, the M rain interior throughout.
The interior is actually mint, and we want to get this thing for like 300 bucks, maybe 100. No clear coat.
You got a ski port. I can fit 4 golf bags.
Yeah, we did a little. We did walk around real quick.
Oh, bro, we didn't even notice.
What happened?
Ganador mirrors.
Oh, Ganador mirrors.
Look at that.
It's a slam car, but it has plenty of room. The seats fold down. This thing is actually really mint, and what we have now is the key. We're gonna go ahead and check it out, see how it runs, and this might actually be his daily. He has that Accord, but that's brand new. We don't want to keep just putting miles on it if we don't have to. We want this bad boy.
90,000 miles.
90,000 miles.
Auto window or
This is the other thing. It's 1998. Power mirror, power locks, window lock, and powered windows, every single one.
And AC.
And AC.
And new tires.
Yeah, the tires are actually really good on this bad boy. 195/70 14s. We're thinking this might be 5x114, which means a lot of wheel options. But yeah, this bad boy is looking nice. Let's go ahead and hop inside, see what we're talking about the interior here. Honestly, for a cheap car like this, a cheap car like this actually will save you money in the long haul, just because you're not paying for a bunch of maintenance and stuff like that on your normal car. And if you don't really care about it, you can park it wherever, you know, you can drive around, no big deal. So let's put on our seatbelt, go for just around the block, maybe about 100 feet, just to make sure the brakes work and stuff like that. And then we'll talk about some pricing and see if we can get a deal on this, because this might be my boy's daily driver.
My second daily driver. But these brakes are not the business. I'll tell you that right now.
Oh.
These brakes.
Yeah, I heard that.
Those are $30 for rotors and pads on this car.
Yeah. Oh, it's okay. Power window. Do I have the window lock on?
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Power window.
Oh.
Wow, it takes it up. It takes it all the way.
Nice. Steering's not bad, honestly. For what I was expecting an Avalon.
Yeah.
So this is not terrible.
This is not bad. Cruise control.
Nice.
You have to turn it on that side, I think.
There we go. There's cruise. I'm on a stop sign, so
yeah, we can't really cruise into that.
We'll cover brakes and smog if I buy this.
Yeah, because in California we do have smog, but this is this might be for sure passable. It's 1998 and it's got a 2.4. I don't see why it wouldn't pass.
Drives nice.
Yeah, it runs good. No check engine lights. 90,000 original miles on a 98. That's actually insane.
Nice.
We got a little brake here. There's small stuff. There's
$20 junkyard run, and this car's OEM.
The problem with that junkyard run is, are we gonna find another?
But this is the same as the Dodge Stratus, isn't it?
No.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, because this is a Plymouth, which is the shared chassis. So I know they have another car that's exactly like this. It's like the bigger Neon.
I don't know, but if that's the actual truth, then we're game up, because we can buy a new one of these things up here. Just a couple of things that it needs, you know, maybe repaint some of the plastic, because there's like plastic dye that we could do. Dash is pristine,
uncracked.
not cracked, pristine, and as you can tell by the paint on the outside, the clear coat's gone. So this was outside, so that's a solid dash. Let's see what we got.
Shift's nice.
Honestly, doesn't slip.
Transmission is good.
And this is really how you test drive a car. You want to check for basic stuff.
Yeah. You don't just say, I like how it looks and it feels, but it's, you want to drive it and make sure the transmission's not slipping.
If this guy really gets this for like $100, or it's basically free, just cover smog, I'm gonna be surprised. I'm surprised the dealership actually took this in.
They'll take anything in. They probably gave them $100.
Maybe, or like 400. No, there was a Focus
was really nice, and they gave him 300.
Yeah, there was a Ford Focus just like mine that they gave 300 for. Let's see how this AC works.
It's cold.
And mine's not working.
Neither is mine.
That might be an issue. It's making noise though. Wait. No.
I hear it.
So that's a problem.
Yeah.
No AC, really.
I feel, this one's working, the window one. Is your window one working?
Oh, that one's working.
That one's nice.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, we got a semi. We can't test acceleration too much. Oh, he's going for the overtake? Oh!
Oh, but this is it. This is boosted.
That is it. Luxury. Handled the bump well.
We hit 75.
75?
Nice and quiet in here.
No shaking.
No shaking. Alignment's okay. $100.
It's very comfortable.
Probably gonna pay $3 in insurance for the year.
Insurance will just be like, we just want to have an extra client, so throw it on. You know, it's just like, put it on there for you.
We got a cassette player. I'm not getting rid of this. I'm just gonna get the aux cassette to aux.
Cassette.
And then I'm gonna put 3 12s in the back.
Yeah, cruise control. Test that.
Oh yeah, here we go. On, set. Set.
Cruise control does work from 1998. All right, so really it needs AC, brakes.
The AC works, because I know it's cold. So it's just something
with the blower.
Yeah.
But it needs AC and brakes.
And a paint job.
And a paint job.
It's about $40 for this car.
And we eBay tint it.
Yeah.
We eBay tint it for like $50. Yeah, this car would be all in maybe $500. A great daily driver that runs with no check engine lights and 90,000 original miles. 4,200 miles per year is what this was driven.
This is great. This is good stuff.
Insane.
Oh, it's sprayed.
There you go.
Oh, I don't know how to do this. Oh, there we go. What does this do if you pull it? If you pull it down? Nothing. I don't know what that does, but
Honestly, if it's cheap enough, would you do it?
I'm gonna write down the VIN and just look at it on Copart, most likely. It's gonna end up there.
All right, guys, should we go ahead and try to make this one happen? We don't know if this is actually gonna happen, but we just want to bring you guys along and show you guys this beast of a car. We're looking for something like this that can kind of be a meme and kind of just clean it up and drive it as it is and just not really care about it as much. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Yo, so I know I kind of split the outro there, but Sabir and I have actually talked about this before, and building something just so cheap and just kind of, I don't know, redneck, and just maybe even building like a bogger, like off-road car, you know, just kind of having something kind of like Haggard Garage did with their Lexus that had the hockey pucks to lower it. You know, maybe this is, or not this one, but maybe a car like it or something just super dirt cheap that runs and drives. Maybe we just do a bunch of meme things and, you know, have some fun with it. Have a buddy with some property, we can jump it, or, you know, do something that's just fun and we don't really care about, but it could bring awesome, funny content to you guys. So we've kind of brought this idea up. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And let me know, too, if you guys just have a junkyard that is free or very cheap that runs and drives, registered and all that, let me know. We might buy it, and Sabir and I could build that and just kind of, you know, clean it up, try spray paint job, and lift it with like some random Craigslist or offer up parts. Yeah, it's just an idea, but I hope you guys enjoyed and kind of see the vision maybe in the future. Who knows? Just want to throw it out there. And like I said, hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments below what you think. But I'll see you guys next time.